Set up your new electricity and natural gas connections or get an existing electricity meter changed or removed with Origin Connect. You can quickly and easily submit your requests online and track your jobs from construction through to completion. Along the way, you'll get email alerts and status updates. You can ask questions, upload documents and more. Origin Connect lets you establish an account in the customer's name or transfer it to the customer at the end of the job. Origin Connect covers new electricity and natural gas connection requests and electricity meter changes for properties in Queensland, New South Wales, South Australia, the ACT and Victoria. So, when you're ready to get started, just head to originenergy.com.au/building industry to register. Then, it's as simple as logging in on your tablet, smartphone or computer. Anytime and anywhere. Origin Connect. New electricity and gas connections, electricity supply changes or removal on the go.